Hello everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. Thank you for your support by subscribing it to our channel. And in the last video, as I said you that Siddharth and I will be traveling for 1 week, and the first stop is County Cork. Now usually we do travel by the car, but this time we are trying something new because we calculated like how much amount we will be spending at the parking area, so we didn't find it worth. And it's the first time that we are going to go to the Cork, and we are going to travel by the bus. Now initially for the first 2 days we will be in the County Cork, and from there we'll come back to the Dublin and head down for the County Kerry. So it's going to be amazing. Keep supporting my channel. It is actually morning 6:30 a.m. and it's 3 degrees Celsius, but it's actually not too bad. I'm too excited for this trip. It is the month of December, as you all know, and it is a winter time in Ireland. Now this is how the winters look in Ireland. It's too dark, the nights are longer. Usually the sun rises around like 8 o'clock in the morning and it sets roughly around 4 o'clock. Hi, how are you? Good. Now, this is the leap card, where you can use it for the public transport, and the maximum amount that will be charged to you is like 2 euros. This is a beautiful city center, and now we are heading up for the City Link, which will take us to the Cork. Look at that building. The streets are usually lively at the night because it has pubs, and this is the main area. This is the south side, isn't it? No, this is south. Now, this is one of the tourist places, the Merchants Arch. And once you cross that bridge, the north sides of the Dublin starts. This is the City Link's office, where the buses for the Galway and Cork leaves. This is the bus for the Cork City, and the tickets are already being booked. So the return fare is for 27 euros per person. Now this bus is for 10:30. So once all the passengers of the 10:30 are gone inside, we can go in and sit. But it shouldn't be a problem because it's not that full. This is journey for 3 hours.
It's around 3 hours.
So this will be your drop-off point, and from here the Brew Hostel is only 1 minute of walking distance. This is the Brew Hostel that we are going to stay for one night, and the charges for that one is 90 euros. We have already booked it from the hostel. So this is the hostel. Now there is a TV room and the kitchen, and we are just going to go in the room. We just checked in the Brew Hostel, and I've already shown you how the dorms are. Now we are heading, the first stop for here today is the English Market, which is approximately like 12 minutes walking distance from the hostel. Cork is a little bit different from the Dublin, as you can see that most of the houses are on the hills. This one is the English Market, which is very old. It started around 1788 and it's very famous. If you're coming in Cork, don't miss out this place at all. That is supposed to be the fountain, but I guess due to the Christmas it must be closed for now. I wanted to try the chana masala, but they are closed right now. And there's not much options for the vegetarian, as you can already see. That is mostly the meat, the fishes. We had been to the English market, but there were no options for us to eat. So there was just the quality, like as you see, that it's the fish meat. Not much options for the vegetarian. So we figured out this one, the dosa spot, and it's actually delicious. And there is a Fiskara Park, which you can see here. This park is very beautiful, and County Cork is the second largest city in the island. And after coming to Fiskara Park, there is a fountain that you can see, and there is a Dali's Bridge, which I'm waiting to see for. And from Dosa, the dosa spot that we had been eating, from there is just a 1-minute walk to the bus stop, and you can catch a bus 208 to come over here directly. This is the map of the Fiskara Park. This is a rose garden, and there's a fountain over here. And this area, the music one, it is mostly where the concerts happen. Like, you see this one? It's just right opposite there. So whenever there is a music festival, they do it there. Hi! Look at that beautiful tree. I wonder how many years old this must be. This is the Dali's Bridge, but it is well known by the name known as a shaky bridge because because when you walk on it, the platform shakes, and there's a tradition where the people run from one end to the other end. I don't know the reason behind it, but it got its name from that, like a shaky bridge. And the sponsorer, there was an Irish man who lived in the Cork. His name was James Daly, and he sponsored this bridge. Like, he gave some certain amount to make this bridge, and therefore the official name is like the James Daly Bridge. And it is the only suspension bridge in the Cork. I'm just excited to run on this bridge. This is the University College of Cork. It's just 5 p.m. and look at the darkness. In Ireland, the universities are open 24/7. People can just walk in freely, look at the university. The stones that you were seeing, it has inscriptions with the language as the Ogham. Ogham is a very ancient Irish language with the oldest recording of the Irish personal names. And you see this lines? So that signifies those alphabets in those days. Thank you so much for watching this video, and right now we are going to just stroll in the city center for an hour or so, and then again go to the dosa spot. What are we planning to have? Mostly maybe the Szechuan rice, and we'll walk to the brew hostel. So that was the day 1 for our Cork city, and tomorrow there is more few places that we are going to see and then head back to the Dublin. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like and the subscribe button to our channel.